Okay, now because this is a titanium model of the vehicle, we've got a couple different ways that we can open up the trunk. We can either double click this button, so as you can see we've got our trunk release button, or a couple other options. So we do have the ability to open it up by pressing the button. There's just a button right underneath, and it is the titanium, which means it's got a foot activated liftgate. You got a handful of groceries, kids, whatever the case may be, all you're gonna do, lift your foot underneath, take a step back, and as you can see, foot activated liftgate. Absolutely love it. Let's have a quicker peek inside. There we go. So as you can see, we've got a ton of space in the back of this vehicle, which is beautiful. Lots of space in the back. Along our left-hand side, so along the driver's side, we do have a 12-volt adapter. As we look underneath, so we've got some storage space in the back. We've got a spigot, so if we ever need to use a jerry can in order to fill up the gas tank, we've got the capabilities to do that. On top of that, we've got our mini spare tire with the jack underneath.